Big Bird's Copycat Day by Sharon Lerner, illustrated by Joe Matthew. I like to be a copycat. I copy things all day. I do what I see people do and say just what they say. If Grover says, "Hello, Big Bird, good morning, how are you?" then I will say, "Hello, Big Bird, good morning, how are you?" I eat the same things Cookie eats. Well, maybe not quite all. I hop the way that Ernie hops and try hard not to fall. I flap my wings and peck and coo like pigeons in the park. And when I see my favorite dog, I wag my tail and bark. Every time I hear a baby talk, well, I go gaga goo. And when she drinks her bottle, I drink a bottle too. I like to copy Oscar. I know just what to say. Go away. When someone comes to visit me, I tell her, "Go away. Go away, please." I can hoot just like an owl. I can buzz just like a bee. And sometimes when I'm all alone, and even copy me. I see the count is counting all the stars up in the sky because I am a copycat. That is what I will try. And when he says it's time for bed, "Good night, Big Bird, sleep tight," I nod my head and smile and said, "Good night, Big Bird, sleep tight." Good night. The end.